G'day gang, Ed here, and another quick update to explain in more detail what we're going to be doing with 30 Day Challenge Plus. It's going to be a monthly membership program, but it's going to be one that redefines the term value when it comes to internet marketing material. We do have to charge, but it's going to be a very small amount per month compared to what you're going to get. And specifically what I want to talk about in this particular video is I want to talk about keeping updated. Things happen all the time on the internet. Things are always being updated, they're always changing, and we need to be able to bring that to you. So part of 30 Day Challenge Plus is going to be bringing you the absolute latest information on all the core tools that we used during the 30 Day Challenge. Now, of course, some of these we may indeed update on the actual 30 Day Challenge. If something goes and is not usable anymore, we'll make the change in the public side. But you guys in 30 Day Challenge Plus will know about it first. And that's going to be really important. You know, if we look at just between what's happened between August and now, as I'm talking to you, let's think about it. Market Samurai, so many incredible new features that really change the way you go about doing market research. We need to show you that. We need to show you all about friend feed. Friend feed is extremely important. Not in the public way Twitter is, but in a way that enables you to, remember I talked in the last video about moving from market research to market understanding? Well, let me tell you, Twitter and friend feed, well, friend feed in particular, friend feed is all about moving to market understanding and eventually market leadership. Wait till you see how we show you how to use friend feed properly. What else? Oh yes, YouTube. You might be watching this on YouTube now. Since we did the 30 Day Challenges here, they've had cool things like annotations. In fact, you'll see an annotation on this video. I'll add one in so you can see. They're little, you can add thought bubbles, or you can add web addresses and overlay it over the top of your video, which is really, really cool. Of course, in 30 Day Challenge Plus, we're going to be covering product creation. Remember, a new product, a new style of product creation every single month. Our first month's going to be audio recording. We're going to be covering ebooks. We're going to be covering videos. We're going to be covering doing this sort of thing. In fact, today, you might notice, different camera again. I'm actually using the little iSight camera on my computer display here. Because I just want to show you that you don't need millions of dollars of equipment. Well, you don't need millions of dollars of equipment full stop anymore, but you can do it with equipment that costs just a few bucks. If you have a Macintosh computer, it won't cost you any more because all the stuff's already built in. Having said that, and yes, I must admit, you might, if you could just see what's around me here, yes, I do have a bit of a Macintosh bias, but if you're studying PC, indeed if you're studying Linux, and if you're using those two software languages, or operating systems I should say, you're covered, because all the stuff that we're going to be teaching is going to be cross-platform, or where it's not, we're going to be showing you what it's about. Because honestly, believe it or not, I don't care about the system. I care about the easiest way you've got a marketplace. We're going to show you a whole bunch of new cool ways to do that. We need to be able to bring out products to that marketplace, and we need to be able to do it quickly, cheaply, and most importantly, really good quality as well. And the great thing is, for the first time in history, we can actually achieve all of that. And so every single month we're going to show you a new product. We're going to teach you about moving from, remember yesterday I talked to you about market research to market understanding. This is crucial, absolutely crucial. It's a fundamental, well, flaw in what I've been teaching. And I want to fix that. And the people who get this are going to have such a huge advantage in their particular marketplace. And of course, as we explained today, we're going to keep you up to date. So some months, there may not be many updates, but some months there might be 15 new videos with new updates on things that have happened with tools that we utilize inside 30 Day Challenge. We're going to keep you completely up to date, including a new weekly podcast exclusive for 30 Day Challenge Plus. members, which will be specifically about the tools that get released that week. Now, as you well know, or you may not know, but I do a fantastic podcast, if I do say so myself, Internet Marketing This Week, completely free, where we talk about the issues inside internet marketing. 30 Day Challenge Plus podcast each week is going to be different. It could be very short, could be long. It depends how many tools or what's been released. I want to keep you totally up to date. Just today, a brand new screen capture piece of software for the Mac for people who are perhaps more used to the Camtasia style and approach has just been released. It's fantastic. Just released. So how cool is that? You know, things like, if I bring this up here, the extraordinary LightScribe pen. This thing is amazing, and it's a content creation machine in a very smart pen. All of these sorts of things we're going to cover. And every month is going to be usable material. In the past, and in fact with the Immediate Edge, for example, we do things which take multi-months to deliver. With 30 Day Challenge Plus, each month is going to be self-contained. We're going to keep each module and everything that we deliver inside 30 Day Challenge Plus self-contained. So that's enough for today. We're coming much closer. Keep Thursday night free. We're going to have a special broadcast on 30 Day Challenge TV, which is going to be answering all of your questions on 30 Day Challenge Plus. And remember, we are going to have, for the first time, a founders, founders membership, which means that if you do sign up within the first few days, because it's not going to be limited in the sense that, you know, we're only going to accept X number of people. What we're going to do is, instead, to encourage you to join now, is to offer a ridiculously cheap price, and it's locked in. It will never ever go up for the founders. So stay tuned, more information tomorrow, and as we talk about more of the types of content that you will expect to receive inside 30 Day Challenge Plus.